our boat.
Oh, another TV. Oh, who is this?
Some guy from Bugs Bunny.
Oh, that's the Martian.
Marvin.
Marvin the Martian.
You guys sailing now?
Nope. You're gonna teach us, right? This comes with free lessons, yeah? She didn't tell you?
You didn't see that part in the contract.
It was so small. Like I said, you have to bring your own kindling, though. We're not made out of money.
Not made out of money.
Spend it all.
I think that's what I'm going to say when I send you your closing statement. The title of the email is going to be Bring Your Own Kindling, and then you'll see all your financial statements.
One repair, so our original schedule
For Saturday.
had to get postponed. Well, then we've got Sunday, they don't put you in the water.
Because they don't work.
Monday's
is a holiday.
So now it's Tuesday. They were real busy today, so I guess something got confused. We thought we were scheduled, we weren't really scheduled, whatever. So they put us on for tomorrow, but the president of Mexico is coming to San Carlos tomorrow.
So there's restrictions. No one
restrictions.
can move.
Yeah.
No one can move your boat.
So we almost got stuck till Thursday. We almost lost a whole week
For
that we could
one-
have been in the water because of one little repair that
Took us a
really
day.
took us,
Well,
because of curing time, it took us about a day to get it done.
so anyway, here we are. Our boat is driving down the street in San Carlos.
Right.
We're getting on the main road right there. And to the marina.
Yep. From the RV. Right over there, down the dock. People thought we're crazy. Through the side.
We truly are.
Over the cockpit. And woohoo!
Into the bedroom.
Okay, that was freaking success.
And that wasn't even that hard. It wasn't even.
So we are having our first
Sundowners
sundowner
on the water.
on the boat. Cheers, baby. Oh. Oh. That's our view. It's not much of a sunset, but oh, we did it, babe.
We did it. We're on the water.